Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to be creating a splatter portrait for hockey season. So I'm going to come over to my uploads and I'm going to place this photo on my workspace. I'm going to make it a little bit larger, but I am not going to set it as my background. I'll go back over to elements and I'm going to place some splatter on my workspace. Just search for splatter in the elements section and you'll get some splatter. I'm going to strategically place this splatter on my workspace. And I don't want to entirely cover my hockey players. I'm going to go into position and layers and I'm going to grab that splatter and I'm only going to download that splatter. So I'm going to right click on that on the splatter elements. I'll say download selection. I want it to be transparent and I'll click download. I'm going to make a duplicate of this page. I'll get rid of the splatter. I'm going to take this image here and I am going to remove the background. So now all I have is my hockey players. I'm going to come back up to my first page and I'm going to go into an app called Clipping Mask. Here it is right here. And with this image selected, I'm going to say start masking. Now you'll remember that I did download the splatter, so I'm going to select image and then choose that splatter to create my clipping mask. So here it is right here. I'll just make that a little bit larger. And I don't want to cover all of the hockey players, so I'm leaving part of it outside of the splatter. I'll say add to design and I'm going to take that and just drag it over to my second page where I have those other two hockey players. I'm going to make it a little bit larger and just try and match it up as best I can. And I'll grab both of them and I'll just make them a little bit larger like that. Now, if you want to accentuate it a little bit more, you can grab that top layer with those hockey players. You can go into edit and we can add a shadow outline. Now, don't get scared here. We can reduce the size and you can also reduce the intensity. And this might be perfect for sublimation or DTF. Anyhow, so that's pretty much it, guys. What did you think of this tutorial? Did you like it? Did you learn anything? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about my live classes, ask me and I'll tell you more information. Now, this was a really short tutorial. I'm not sure if you noticed, which is out of the ordinary for my tutorials. But you know what? I will say bye-bye until next time. And if there's anything else that you want to learn, be sure to fill out my tutorial request form. You will find it in the description of this video. Bye for now.